This is how I cook filet mignon. Take your meat out of refrigerator and leave it in room temperature for 15 minutes. Put black pepper on both sides, put plenty of it, and wait another 10 minutes. This is needed in order to get this really nice flavor. Then put salt on both sides. Heat up your grill to 500 Fahrenheit. Now put your meat. Wait 3 minutes and turn to 90 degrees in order to get that diamond shape. Then wait another 3 minutes and turn your meat. After you turn your meat, it's the same principle. 3 minutes and turn it to 90 degrees. Here I just waited another 6 minutes straight and pull out the meat. After you pull out the meat, wrap it with foil and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. This is needed for juices to flow through the meat and give you the best taste of filet mignon. After 15 minutes, you can now go ahead and start eating the delicious filet mignon. I like medium well, so if you want medium rare, you just need to adjust the wait time to maybe 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes and turn to 90 degrees on each side. See, really juicy meat, really delicious. It was perfect dinner with a salad. Here you can see my face, and I really didn't think that it's gonna be really delicious. I enjoyed it. Good luck everyone. This is the best recipe to cook filet mignon on the grill. You just need black pepper and salt.